Hey guys, it's Brandon from Electriq Marketing. We're going to be going through the feeds functionality on Sprout Social today. So once you sign in, you're going to have your left nav per usual, and just click on feeds, and I'm going to walk you through how to set these up. So your Twitter feed is going to be automatically connected when you hook up your Twitter account. Now you can actually view Instagram hashtags as well. So this is for a wine client of ours. So right now we're following the hashtag vino and wine. So we can scroll through here and see if there's any interesting content or anything we maybe want to go and comment on Instagram. A good way to engage with your community. So another example would be, let's say, winery. And now Sprout Social will pull in all of the relevant hashtags for that, and you can filter them out as well. So let's say we only want to view wine. Now we're going to see everything that's getting posted on wine. It's actually a good way to monitor competitors as well. So let's say we want to see everything that has Wink in it, which is another direct-to-consumer wine company. It'll eventually populate all of the recent Instagram posts from them in here. You can also set up an RSS reader. So you connect a Feedly account, which is free, and then you can select all of the feeds that you want to get pulled into here. So this is a good way to repurpose content from other media publications and use it in your messaging on social media. So for example, we could send this to Compose and then drive traffic to the Decanter article. It's a good way to not, because as a brand you don't always want to be selling, so this is a good way to provide like educational content without actually having to create it yourself, and you're really establishing yourself as an authority in that particular category. So typical scheduling stuff in here, but that is how feeds work. It's pretty straightforward. There's not too much functionality in here, but it is nice. The Instagram hashtags in the RSS reader, I really like the RSS reader because it's a good way to stay up to date on particular things for your client, and it's also a good way to have access to content as well. So as always, feel free to leave a comment with any questions that you have, and we're doing a whole series on Sprout Social, so I will link to all the other videos going through this nav bar in the below description. Thanks.